products. What is new? Mom's been making popcorn all morning, and I was making a couple batches of jam, doing a mail order, and doing a couple random things around the shop. But now I'm sifting elderberry. So I feel like I explained this process to you guys when I was picking them, but I just thought I would show you now that I'm actually doing it. But this was a big bag of the frozen berries. And I have this screen here over top some just metal bowls. And I pull the berries out of the bag and I like sift them through the mesh while they're still frozen is the key, so that you don't mush them. And then you can just like pick the stems out once you've got them all sifted through. So I've got a couple sheet pans here to catch berries that don't fall into the pan, but Mom kind of came up with this and it works pretty well. So if you're ever interested in harvesting your own elderberries, this is definitely the way to get them off the stem is while they're frozen. Oh, this one's full.
Oh, pick it up so you can see it.
I will when I'm done. I don't want to make a mess. Wow. There's a bunch not in there.
Oh, on the tray.
Yeah.
Mix up the bowl so you can see it.
So there's still a few like little stems and stuff, but it doesn't really matter because when we cook it down, we strain it through fine paper. So I gotta get them back in the freezer though before they thaw, because we keep them frozen until we need to use them. These apples all just got washed for cider pressing, which I'm not sure what day we're gonna do that yet because we might have snow in the morning. But after this cold snap, it is supposed to get back to like nice Indian summer or whatever. Like it looks like lots of 60s, one like high 60s day, and like lots of sunshine. So sometime in the next week we'll be pressing cider, but we were sort of sorting apples out of the milk house and decided to just wash up all the apples for cider. So I promise that will be coming. I still haven't decided on live stream or not, because my literal only hesitation was the connection. Like I just felt bad that it wasn't like actively streaming, and I don't know, like there's no closer place to do it. We were right outside the sap house where the Wi-Fi is, so I'm not really sure how to get around that, but I'm thinking about it. Anyway. Those are all washed up. I just put a little delivery together for the cheese house where Rachel works, her family farm, and we're just like wrapping stuff up for the day. Just been a shop day. So I will check back in with you guys, whatever's next. Good morning, friends. It's the next day. My camera's charging right now, so checking in from the iPhone 14. Literally glove weather, you guys. It was 34 and like raining on my way here. I was so surprised it was not snowing. It's like so damp and cold. I just asked my mom if we could light a fire, and she's like, I don't know. I was like, it's cold. Anyway, this is a pile of chaff. I guess I'm gonna put it into this blue barrel and bring it over to the chicken nest because Mom said she just scraped it out. So we'll make them nice and fresh and fluffy for this chilly weather for the chickens to lay eggs in. So, and you know, cuddle in. Anyway, so first thing, shoveling a little bit of chaff, and then I don't know, like maybe I'll bake something like for the freezer, because the freezer's kind of low and I could fill it up and like turn the ovens on. It would make it warmer in the sap house too, like maybe some apple pie. I don't know. We'll see. I know we have to make mustard, maple butter, different stuff. So after this, we'll head into the sap house. Very exciting having fresh hay in the nests. So mom's out here grading the cows, and this one babysitting mom just came down with all the calves. She is the babysitter. She's like, what about me? Ugh. These naughty calves. She's got some apples too. They pushed this bale against the fence. I'll have to pull it off of there. And I've decided I am going to make pie because we do have so many apples. I've been wearing my vest because it's been very cold, but I haven't worn my vest since sap season. And I just found a bunch of Werther's candies in there. Because you guys know when I'm up in the woods, I'm always like, I love Werther's during sap season. I don't know what it is, so what a nice treat to find one in my vest. Anyway, I'm gonna start cutting up apples. I was just labeling the elderberry jelly that I made yesterday. So I have a big batch of pie dough in the freezer that I made a while back, so I'll take that out, let it warm up a little bit while I cut apples, and that'll be my project for the next couple hours. Okay, so I just remembered I got this apple peeler, was it for Christmas?
I think so.
For Christmas, and I was like, I need to try that out because it's finally time to peel apples. So usually when I make apple pie, I do peel the apples. So I just tried the first one, and like, I don't really think it's that much more waste than if I just peel it myself with a knife. So I'm gonna try it. This is what I peeled by myself. What's cool is that it also slices it up. So I'm gonna try a few more times. The only thing that's like slightly less quick is like the setup. So you have to like do it and then take the core off and then put another one on. But kind of saves your fingers from like getting a paring knife blister. So I'm gonna do a few more on camera and show you guys what it looks like. You guys, this batch of maple butter is like 10 out of 10. It's like the perfect consistency and also like the best tasting light syrup.
Did you hear from the one that you're giving discount to?
Oh, it didn't slice it that time. Oh, I didn't have this over here.
So you have a choice between slicing and no slicing.
That is so cool. took my pies out of the oven. Good morning, friends. It's hat weather. I was laughing when I put this hat on because I remembered like all the thumbnails of all the videos last year is just like me in a different color beanie. But it is supposed to be into like the 60s today, so I will definitely be taking a few layers off. But this morning there was a very heavy frost and you know, it was like 30 degrees, so it's definitely chilly right now. First thing, we're actually just gonna go clean up Boo Boo's area a little bit. Mom's gonna feed her while I sort of just like clean up her little pen and get a fresh bale of hay because she's actually eating hay now. And yeah, so I need to find the pitchfork and the wheelbarrow and throw a bale of hay down. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. How are you guys this morning? Yeah, see these barrels out here? There's like a sheet of ice on them. We're supposed to have so much sunny weather though. I'm so excited. Yeah, check out the frost, you guys. So I got this pitchfork, which reminds me, I think this was a Christmas gift for my mom. Which reminds me, anything that I can find that is also on Amazon, like sold by the company or sold on Amazon or whatever, I've started making like lists of like farm essentials or like farm shopping gift guides for like Christmas and the holidays coming up, because I wanted to get started early of like things that I'm looking around the farm thinking, oh, I want to get that for Christmas. So not just farm stuff though, like I'm making like gifts for him, gifts for her, because I know I did like some gift guide videos last Christmas and it's so fun for me to like curate stuff. So I'm going to share those with you guys. Like I'll just link them below, but like I'm still building them. But just so you guys know, I am putting some gift guides together. Like if you feel like perusing them or if you need gift ideas, like I've already found such good stuff. So I would love it if you guys would check those guides out, because also if you shop through me on Amazon, I get like commission off of it, which is like obviously any little bit helps me. So if you want to support me, it's one way to do it is to head to my Amazon page. So I'm going to be working on those gift guides and I'll keep you guys updated as I find more really good stuff for the holidays. Boo Boo's barn. This is where we sort cows now that we installed those gates, but this has been her little domain. Mommy's gonna feed you, Boo Boo.
Where do you want me? Maybe over there.
Okay.
So you can put more in there.
Yep.
And here. Come here, Boo Boo.
Mommy's got a bucket.
Come on. Boo Boo.
Over there.
She's drooling. Come here. Come here. I got the bucket.
A lot of this is mud.
Did you need to be able to see this on camera?
No.
Come on, don't spill. Don't spill.
That's it. That's breakfast. We're just cooking up a storm. Mom's on 3 out of 4 batches of jam. The phone is ringing. I am in the middle of baking banana pumpkin muffins and soon to be banana bread with chocolate chips. I was really just inspired by this big bunch of very ripe bananas I found at the store. I was like, well, that's my sign to bake something with bananas. And then Mom showed up with a can of pumpkin, so I was trying to use both of those things. For the weekend, we like to make nice baked goods for during breakfast. So we're making some baked goods, and we got a wholesale order for a bunch of jam, which is why Mom is making even more jam. And yeah, prepping for breakfast. Not the most exciting day, but it is a beautiful day. Get out of here. Guess where I am? Oh my god, it's just gorgeous out. So you guessed it, I'm up at the berry field. So we were just talking about like all the jams we were making, and like remembering that I had made cranberry jelly labels last year, and I did not actually pick any cranberries this year, because you guys know like a lot of things we were just putting to the side, or like not going all out with like everything we could possibly do just because of like the wedding and all the things we had going on. But I do remember when the last time I was up here, like I saw cranberries, so I'm gonna go check them out and see if there's anything that I can harvest, because we do have labels for cranberry jelly, but also we started talking about Thanksgiving plans, and I know it's like a month away, but in reality, like sometimes you do have to plan for that kind of thing and like who you're getting together with, blah blah blah. So my parents are going to Sam's in-laws, and Eric and I are seeing his in-laws, but then Eric and I might also have like our own small Thanksgiving. I don't know, but I was thinking about maybe trying to make like the cranberry jelly that you put on the table for Thanksgiving. Like I really like the not chunky canned stuff, so I want to try to make something as close to that as possible if I can find some cranberries. So got some buckets with me and some scissors, and we'll see what's out there. Oh, no way. Our friend Jo has been telling us about how her raspberries are producing. And some of ours have berries on them too. In mid-October. This has happened other years though, where there's like 2 harvests of raspberries. That's crazy. One that just fell. Wow. Not the red berry I was expecting to find. Well, this sure looks like a deer highway. Okay, I found cranberries. There's definitely some, yeah, I'm a little late because they're pretty soft and some of them have fallen off, but definitely still usable. I think I'm just gonna snip off what I can. I remember the first time, these are American cranberries, and I remember the first time I was cooking with them, I was like surprised by this pit slash seed that's inside of them. So that also, like, the texture of your berry really depends on the variety, because I was like, wait, I definitely have to strain it. So then I was like, how do people make chunky cranberry sauce? So it's obviously, like, the ones you buy in the store are like totally different. Those are like big and purple. So anyway, working with what I got, but there's definitely enough here to make a few things with. I didn't really know what to expect, but it's not a bad amount. It only takes 4 cups of berries to make a batch of anything, so it's better than none. And yeah, I'll probably do something with these like next week, but I'm happy I came out and checked it. Good morning, friends. Hi friends, I just got home from breakfast. It was so busy. I'm just terrible at filming when it's busy because like I'm just too busy. But I'm realizing that the next video is hands down making cider because Mom and I are gonna do it tomorrow. It's like gorgeous weather today and the next like 4 days, and I just want to like end this one off so I can start fresh with making cider and a few more fun outdoor things. So yeah, I'm gonna wrap this one up. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, if you haven't subscribed yet, if you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you guys join the fam, and I will see you guys really soon for the next video. It's gonna be a fun one.